What I'm going to show you now is some text tools, and this is your text button right here. This is the type tool. So if you click on that and go ahead and select a space to put type in something motivational, and it's just going to give you a small regular font. What I want you to do is then highlight that. If you already have these areas up here that controls the text, that's great. Some of you might have it over here. See where it says character? And so with that highlighted, I can select different fonts and different sizes of fonts. So first, I think what I want to do is make my font really big. 72 is the biggest on the screen that it can go, but if you want it bigger than that, you just type it in manually. Now let's mess with some fonts and try out some different fonts that we like. Fonts are really important, and they can really give the feel of your poster. Okay, I decided to change it to "You Are Amazing." Okay, with this highlighted, there are some cool things that you can do. You can change the color of the font, and that's over here with appearance. You can change the outline of the font, and we can also do a 3D effect. So let's click on it and effect 3D. Okay, there we go. We gotta use the selection tool, effect 3D. Let's go to extrude and bevel. Okay, click preview to see what it's going to do and see how you want to change it. So you can move this around a little bit to see which angle you want it at. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to catch up. You can change these, and then also you can change it to have different surface. So you can try out and see what different ones look like. I like that. Diffuse shading is good. Plastic shading. It's a little bit different. Okay, you can change the extrude depth as well. So if I want it to be really deep letters, I can do that. A little bit less. Go, and then try out this button, see what that does. I like that better. Let's go back and then click OK.